Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and I've got 3 great woodworking products that'll make your life in the wood shop a whole lot easier. Let's check them out. So here we have Rockler's Bandy clamp. Now it's going to be great for those hobbyist woodworkers, and you know what? A DIYer can find lots of uses for them as well. Now it's a different take on your traditional spring clamps in that it's got this band, hence the name Bandy clamp, that connects the 2 pads together. Now this is really useful when you're trying to hold extension cords to your workbench or hold air hoses to a ladder. It's also good in the wood shop to hold parts together while you either let the glue dry or while you're nailing 2 things together. Now the other great thing is that they've got a no-mar pad to protect your material that you're clamping to, and it's really easy to use. Just open them up, push them on your material, and let the band do the work. The band is what holds these things together and what makes them work so well. Now, for a pair of them, you're gonna pay from $15 up to $25 depending on the size. You can find them at rockler.com or in Rockler woodworking stores. That is the Rockler Bandy clamp. Here we have the Merle adjustable band clamp. It's gonna be a great tool for the wood shop for anyone who does lots of picture frames or boxes, or anyone who needs to hold a bunch of pieces together. It's one of those tools that you're sitting in your workshop trying to solve a problem. How do I hold these pieces together while I wait for glue or nail it up? And you know what? This is the tool to get. I recently built a flag display case that had some 3 different angles on it. And this was one of the only tools that I could find to hold those 3 pieces together while the glue set up. Now it's got these really great pivoting feet here that allows you to clamp up different angles. It has these 4 corner clamps here that are removable, and you can add to them to clamp up objects that have 3 angles all the way up to 8 angles on them. You can find them for under 40 bucks at Amazon. That is the Merle adjustable band clamp. Here is the Armor Tool Auto Jig. Now it's gonna be a great tool for those who want to get into pocket hole joinery or those who already do a lot of it. Armor Tool has thought of everything when it comes to the auto jig. Normally in pocket hole joinery, you have to adjust the collar on the drill and the drill guide while you're clamping your material into place. But with the auto jig, everything is done for you while you're clamping your material in. It moves the collar and adjusts the drill guide all for you. Clamp your material in, and the drill guide also indicates what size screw that you need to use based on the thickness of that material. Armor Tool also color coats their screws, making it really easy for you. Really, the auto jig takes the confusion out of your pocket hole joinery. For 130 bucks, it's a great deal, and you can find them online. That is the Armor Tool Auto Jig. So there you have it. 3 products that are gonna help you out in your wood shop. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. So I'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.